Hello everyone, this is Arivu. Here again, I have come to you with two more sentences. Let's look at it. Vikram was married to Revati. Vikram was married with Revati. In this video, we are going to choose the correct one. So let's begin with the reading of these sentences. Vikram was married to Revati. Vikram was married with Revati. So here we are going to choose the correct one. Right? So the only difference between these two sentences is the preposition again. To or with, which is correct. Okay. So before getting into these sentences, I shall begin from some other example. Look at these two sentences first. Rama killed Ravana. Ravana was killed by Rama. So these two sentences are an age-old examples for active voice, passive voice, and a familiar example too. So when someone generally they start teaching this topic active voice, passive voice, they most of them they start from these two sentences, right? So Rama killed Ravana. Ravana was killed by Rama. So here the same information is conveyed in active voice, and the same information was conveyed is conveyed in passive voice. That's the difference. So in both cases, Ravana was killed by Rama only. So passive voice is generally used to highlight who has really done that action. So Ravana was killed by Rama. The preposition by is used here, and the main verb was killed was helping verb, killed main verb. And here, the subject is taken as an object here, this object is taken as a subject here. So this is a way of changing or transforming active to passive. So if you have a look at these two sentences, they are also in the passive form. Vikram was married to Revati with Revati, which is correct. That is what we are going to find out. So I just want to tell you that these two sentences are also in its passive form. They are not in active voice. Both of them are in passive voice. Be clear in it first. Okay. So because when it is given in active voice, you shouldn't go with the same preposition. Only when it is used with this helping was married. When it is in its passive form only, you are going to apply the information or the logical idea that I am going to share now. Okay, because when you face such a question in any of the competitive exams, when the sentences are in active voice, don't apply this. Okay, so first be sure whether it is given in active voice or passive voice. If it is given in passive voice like this, subject and the action and done by whom, if it is in that sense, we can apply the same idea which I am going to share with you now. Okay, let's begin here. Vikram was married to Revati, or Vikram was married with Revati. So the correct one is the first one. Vikram was married to Revati. This is correct. And the other one is incorrect. Why? So that idea only I am going to share. And this is going to be really helpful for the school kids when they face Olympiad exams. And not only that, even for other candidates who are preparing for the competitive exams. This idea may help them, because you may likely to face this sort of sentences in those exams too. And for banking and for this TET exams all, it is going to be really useful. Okay, so quickly let me reveal the answer here. So when the subject, when the subject is a male or a boy, and he was married, and the object is here a girl or a lady, female gender generally. So in such sentences, use the preposition to. So when the subject is a girl and he was married to a gem or a male, here Vikram. So here in this sentence we have to use the preposition with. Here it is correct. So the formula or the point that you have to remember in your mind is very simple. For a boy and was married. Here a girl. In such cases use the preposition to. Here the girl is used as a subject and the same verb, and here the boy name is given as an object. In such case use with. So this is a simple logical idea that you can remember so that you can choose the correct answer in your exams. So I hope this is going to be very useful for you, and if you like the information that I shared to you, please do subscribe, like, share and comment on it. Thank you.